Hi, I'm Clive Humphrey, Product Manager here at WAGO. Today I'm going to give you a quick tour of our industry-leading TOPJOB S DIN rail mount terminal block range, designed to make your control cabinet installation faster, easier, and your connections more reliable. In short, it's connections made simple. Whether you're working in building automation, machinery, or process industries, our TOPJOB S terminal blocks deliver exceptional performance and versatility. But what truly sets us apart is our 3 actuation options, giving you flexibility and reliability for every control panel. First up, the lever. It's quick, intuitive, and it's tool-free. Perfect for field wiring or when working in tight spaces, like the base of a control cabinet, for example. Then we've got the operating slot. Use an operating tool in the slot to open the spring. The tool remains in the slot until termination is complete, leaving both hands free for wiring. And finally, the push button. Simple and fast. Use any common tool to operate the clamping point. It's intuitive and it's reliable. But TOPJOB S isn't just about how you connect, it's about what you gain. Let's talk about the range. Push-in cage clamp technology ensures reliable, easy, gas-tight connections every time. Simply push in a solid or ferruled conductor. It's the fastest way to connect. There's a wide range of cross sections from 0.14 up to 25 square millimeters, all with the same connection technology and used in the same type of accessories. Integrated test slots simplify commissioning and maintenance. And our universal jumper system makes commoning easy, safe, as well as flexible. And the innovation doesn't stop there. We're constantly evolving. Coming soon, we're introducing a new distribution, fuse, and disconnect terminals, designed to provide useful functions and save more space in your control cabinets. From maximum flexibility and safe connection to uncompromising quality, WAGO's TOPJOB S range is engineered to perform, easy to install, and designed for reliability. It's connections made simple. Thanks for watching. For more information or to see the full range, visit wago.com or get in touch with your local sales WAGO representative.